Today we are gonna make chicken tikka. So we're gonna first start with making hung curd. So for making hung curd, you need a bowl. You need whole milk yogurt. You can see the plain whole milk yogurt, and we need a cloth. Any cloth is fine as long as it is porous. So I'm gonna just put all the yogurt in this. So we put all the yogurt now. So what we're gonna do is hang it for like an hour or two till all the water is out of the yogurt. Alright, we're gonna make some heats up some mustard oil. So we're putting some mustard oil, about 2 tablespoons into a pan, and once it is heated up we have to take out the flavor from the mustard oil out. So we're gonna heat it up. So now once the oil is smoking, we're gonna add some red degi mirch into it, and to give it the oil the color, and turn the heat off. So guys, we have our hung curd ready. So we're gonna put the stuff in it for marination. So I'm gonna put some salt in it. So about 2 small spoons. And then we're gonna put some red chili powder according to the taste. We also put some red chili powder in the oil, so I'm not gonna put that much. I'm gonna add some black pepper for flavor. Since we added the red chili, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of black pepper just for flavor. I'm gonna add turmeric powder, one teaspoon, and we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of chunky chaat masala, and the last we're gonna add some ginger paste. I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons of ginger paste. So I'm gonna mix this all, and then we're gonna add the oil to this mixture. So now I'm gonna add the mustard oil that we heated to this mixture. That we added the red chili powder to. Make sure it is a little bit cooled down before you add it. So this is how our marination should look. The hung curd with all the material mixed in it. And this is what we're going to use to marinate our chicken. Alright, so I'm going to add the chicken pieces to it to marinate. So we have about, I think, close to 3-pound chicken. So it's all in. So guys, I have the chicken marinated ready. I'm gonna put it in air fryer. In my description I'll put the timings, how much to cook. So I've sprayed them with a little bit of oil, and we're gonna cook it in the air fryer now. Alright guys, our chicken in the air fryer is cooked. You can see we cooked it at 375 degrees for about 12 to 13 minutes, and it looks pretty good.